What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. So, going to check in on this bin. I wanted to get into it just a little sooner for the 7 days, but it's been like 10. So we'll just see how it's looking. I remember I fed the food bomb, all that pulp food just mixed up into a nice large ball. Hold on a second. There we go. I had that large, well, decent sized squash that had like a double end on it. Wow, seeing lots and lots of worms, but no food. Some type of stem. Wow, so pretty cool. I think what I'm going to do is get these larger pieces out. I have some like pine cones and things like that. And because this other side looks pretty dry again, I'm just going to incorporate everything all together. But first, I'm going to add some water to this far side. Yeah, because it's so dry. But it was a ton of bedding. I think that's going to do much better. I will add a little bit of more water to the top of everything. And the water that I use has been essentially dechlorinized. I let it sit out on the counter for typically at least a few days. But basically that's been sitting probably about a good 2 weeks. Let's put that stuff back into the middle here. I do have some fresh bedding. And then I have a tomato that kind of had a couple soft spots on it. A piece of eggplant. I guess the stem, and then I still have a bunch of pulp from the juicer. So I'm going a little wild and crazy with this feeding. With 10 days, and it took out probably a good pound of food. I'm adding a bit more, so hopefully when I check on this in another 7 to 10 days, this will all be gone. At least that's the plan. To the feeding area, as I normally like to do, I'm going to add some ground up eggshells. This is grit for the worms, which helps them digest the food scraps. They don't have teeth, they have a crop and a gizzard. So as they get ready to eat this, the microbes start breaking it down and they take little bites. They use that ground up eggshell when they wiggle to help break and digest that food. Okay, And then to the top of this, I'm going to add a little bit of my worm chow. The worm chow is just expired flour, cornmeal, expired oats. I blended up all the oats, added a little bit of the pulverized eggshell, and the cornmeal and the flour I didn't bother blending. Okay, so let's see this. There's still some worms on that, so that'll go this way. And then looks like this one will go this way. There's a worm on top, so I'll move that down to the side. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. I hope on the next check-in, I still have a little bit of the bokashi, so I think I will add another bokashi feeding to this and see how they handle it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop it down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.